כי טוב, כי לעולם השלום. יעלו חללים, כל משה חסדך צדק עם משה רצונך.
Kadosh, 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 Adonai Tzavos Melech Haloretz Kavodo, L'chad Anach Enam Machon Yisrael Shalom. Amen. Ruch Kavod Adonai Yitmo Adonai Yitmo The prayers themselves it's a strange mixture. Half of the prayers from beginning to end have a holiday nature or a Shabbos nature, and half of them have a secular regular day, Chol HaMoed, a whole day, which means they're just a regular weekday. It's like Sukkah de Zimra, the introductory prayers we say for Shabbos and Yantav, but we leave out the last one, the big paragraph, Nishmas, which is just like a token way of saying this wasn't really Shabbos or Yantav, so we didn't say the full thing. And then there's other things like that. And the Shacharis prayer, the morning prayer, the Shemona Esrei is a regular weekday prayer, and the Kedusha is a regular weekday Kedusha. But when you get Yalav Yavo for Sukkot, but when you get to Musaf, it turns into like it's Sukkot or Shmini Atzeres tonight. We say the full Musaf like every day of Sukkot, but we do the full Kedusha as if it was Yantav, as it was the first days of Sukkot. So it's an interesting dichotomy, back and forth. We say in Kelokenu. Many of us don't say in Kelokenu on a weekday. We only say it on the Shabbos and Yantiv. So we said it in Kelokenu. We add things in. And there's also, even though there's a special inning to eat in the Sukkah the whole week of Sukkot, it's an interesting day to have like a celebration, like a holiday meal in the Sukkah right now after this davening.
How was Yom Kippur for you, by the way?
The highest. I was at the Happy Minyan. So.
But fasting and so much.
There's always challenge. During the prayer, some of the parts it gets challenging on my legs because I'm standing for hours. But just everyone lifts each other up, and you kind of get distracted. And really, thank you so much. See you all at the Happy Minyan. Sweet, blessed year. Yeah.
It's all about what goes around comes around. It's one room. It's one world. It's all people together. Round is the same circumference from the center to the end. Everybody is the same, but everybody is at the same time an individual. The point in the center. Don't publish this. You're the best. He's going to put it up on, and it'll be there forever. What if I try to get a job sometime? Not yet. It's apparently arriving. You finished so early.